lava o lo'u ingoa o siope. Talafala mo lo'u ingoa o Gabriel. Today we will be teaching you how to say, how are you, and I'm good, thanks. Wa mai oi Gabriel. Manuia whawhetai siope. Now it's your turn.
Long ago, there lived on the island of Savaii a young couple. The name of the woman was Manuia, that of the man has long been forgotten. They were committed to each other and very much in love. The man was called away to fulfill an unfortunate, unexpected duty to King Maria Toafainga, a duty from which he would never be able to return. And Manuia went with him. They never made it to see Maria Toafainga. Instead, they fled to the island of Tutuila. They lived for many months with High Chief Letuli, whose kindness never wavered. But their peace was short-lived. They feared that sooner or later, the secret of their disappearance would be revealed, resulting in misfortune and dishonor on Letuli and on their families in Savaii. After imploring the gods for their families, they gave up their lives. But lo, a merciful God had pity on them and accepted the offer of their lives only in part, and changed the woman Manuia into a turtle and her husband into a shark to live together eternally.
Lau me tu lau tama le mulia, se e siva, se e saa, se e o mato matamat. Lau me whaian, masulu masiau tama, au iai le moe ngā, whai mai se lau tila lelei, la valawa